Good morning, guys. Day one officially, I guess?
Day one officially, yeah.
Day one officially. The girls are already ready for the day. We're going to go to Akershus for breakfast. I'm going to be completely honest. Pop Century is not one of my favorite hotels. Please don't hate me. Amy, what's your feedback?
No.
No? Okay. We actually made this joke earlier that we're not like bougie people, but like the room is very small. The thermometer doesn't go past 65, but we know because of TikTok how to lower the thermometer, and we lowered it down to 60, and it was, yeah, we are in Disney World, but we know how to lower it down to 60 degrees, and it was still boiling hot. The girls didn't sleep either. Amy and I don't know about Amy, but I definitely catnapped.
Yeah.
And like I said to you before, the room is really, really small. I understand this is a value resort, and I went into it that way thinking. I'm just giving you my honest feedback. I like the theming of this place, but yeah, if you guys didn't see it already, make sure you guys go watch our video of the room tour so you guys kind of have an understanding. But they're hungry and getting agitated, so we're going to go eat breakfast at Akershus.
We are on the Skyliner from Pop Century. It's going to take us to Caribbean Beach.
Hold on.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner, gliding over Akershus Lake.
I've tried filming this 3 times.
Relax.
We are on the Skyliner from Pop Century to Caribbean Beach. I'm talking fast so she doesn't talk over me again for the 3rd time. We are going to transfer at Caribbean Beach and head to Epcot for our Akershus breakfast.
So in true Disney fashion, and you know, our family's fashion, we are actually not going to breakfast right away in Akershus. We're actually going on the Anna and Elsa ride, the Frozen ride, because we got here a little bit too early and we have our lightning lane pass right now. So we're gonna go on that ride.
You wanna build a snowman? On a safe system. We get to share this frozen fun. I'm free. Let it go, let it go. Oh, the sky will be blue, and you guys will be there too.
So that was the Frozen ride. The girls absolutely loved it. I didn't want to talk over it, so I apologize. But now we're gonna go to Akershus to go eat breakfast.
Princess Aurora's story too. It's one of my favorites. It has anything you could ever hope for in the story. Yeah. Like, do I need your princess? Here. Do you want to spin with Aurora? Oh, ready for the next one? Yes. Thank you so much. Hi, everybody. We're having a girls' day plus Mr. Frog.
I'm the token.
You are a frog. Well, like I was telling them, it's a very good thing. Although the slug is a bit irritating to do. Have you two been frogs or just princesses? Are you guys frogs or princesses? Princesses. A queen over here. Do you have ice powers too? Are you a frog? Do you have ice powers?
All right, so while we wait for Ariel right over there, we have a platter of pastry, some cinnamon rolls, and croissants. 3 kinds of cheeses, a white cheese, Jarlsberg, kind of like a Swiss. We have a cheddar, and then over here is a brown caramelized cheese, and then we have some crackers. We have our fruit bowl, which someone's already eating. And then we have cheesy potatoes, some scrambled eggs, Norwegian waffles, and some plant-based sausage.
Beautiful dress! And you look just like the ice queen, don't you? Do you have ice powers? No, so I don't have to worry about you freezing my ocean? Are you gonna freeze the ocean? That would be bad, huh? And look at your beautiful jewels. You must have found that at the shipwreck, huh? Did you go down with Flounder? You did, I knew it. You can tell me something.
I like pretending I'm a mermaid.
Well, you know what? What color is your mermaid tail when you're pretending? What do you think?
It's rainbow sparkles.
Ooh, so you'll match all of the different rainbow fish under the sea, huh? Well, I'll have to tell them that soon we'll have a new mermaid swimming in, okay?
Your dress is matching mine perfectly, isn't it? I love it. And it looks like we're celebrating a certain coronation. Huh. You know, we have a queen in Arendelle too. Her name is Anna, and she's my sister.
At the coronation festival. You are? Well, I hope you'll have to have soup roast and ice cream. That's the best thing to have at a coronation.
I like Elsa.
You do? I like Elsa too.
As you guys just saw, we just met Anna and Elsa. The girls were really super excited. But we're gonna walk through the rest of World Showcase to go to Boardwalk, to go check in. Mom, we're going to the pool?
Probably once we get in our room and get us situated.
Yeah, because we gotta unpack because, like I said to you guys earlier, we UPS'd all of our stuff here, so we have boxes waiting for us, and we still have boxes from Pop that we need to unpack and put into the owner's box. So we're gonna not melt in the Florida sun. Now that we finished the room tour, and if you guys haven't seen the room tour, click one of the eyes somewhere. We're gonna go to dinner. Where are we going?
Trattoria Al Forno.
Bless you. After about a 4 to 5 minute walk from our room, we are finally at the restaurant, and I am just going to show you real quickly what the menu actually looks like. Please feel free to pause the video so you guys can see it more intently, but you can see the prices as well as what they offer here. We still do not know what we're getting. I know the girls are going to get buttered pasta because that's like their safe food. But Amy and I still have no idea what we're going to get, so it'll be a surprise for both of us.
All right, guys, in classic us fashion, we never filmed. The girls had salmon with buttered pasta and fruit. Ariella ate her whole plate. I had the gnocchi with Parmesan and truffle. Josh originally got the salmon. If he has a picture, he'll insert it. But he didn't enjoy it. It was very oniony. So now he got the margarita pizza. And how is that?
I'm not a fan. It's okay. Jersey, New York, you'll understand what I'm talking about. This is paper thin pizza, and margarita pizza is not meant to be extremely oily. This is very oily. We made it back to the room. It is 7 o'clock. We've had a very long day, and I know it's only 7 o'clock, and we should be going out to like the parks or the pool or something like that, but after this long day, we barely slept sleeping at Pop Century. We went to Epcot for breakfast and walked around World Showcase a little bit. We went out to dinner, waiting for the room, all of that. Amy and I just decided that it was best for us to call it a night early. We're going to go take showers. The girls are going to sit and watch some Disney movies and eat their snacks for dessert. And then we're going to go to sleep. Wait. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Oh, we got an umbrella head. Say hi, Shayna.
Hi.
So we're going to call it a night, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that bell notification. Make sure you guys leave a comment below. We have many more days and many more videos to go. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Enjoy.
That's mine. Thank you for watching.